Hello, everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Tech Podcast's Dev Technosys. I'm your host, Yash, and today we're exploring a topic that has been transforming industries quietly but powerfully: the role of artificial intelligence in manufacturing. Now, when most people think of manufacturing, they picture assembly lines, machinery, or maybe even robotic arms in car factories. But what we're witnessing today is a new era, an era where AI is enabling robotics to work smarter, where quality control is no longer just about human inspectors, but intelligent vision systems, and where predictive maintenance helps factories reduce downtime and save millions. To unpack this fascinating transformation, I'm joined by Raj Malhotra, an expert in AI-driven manufacturing solutions who has worked with global companies on deploying robotics, automating quality assurance, and using predictive analytics to boost efficiency. Raj, welcome to the show.
Thanks for having me, Yash. It's a pleasure to be here and talk about how AI is reshaping the world of manufacturing.
Raj, let's start big picture. For our listeners, can you explain how AI is being integrated into manufacturing today?
Absolutely. Manufacturing has always been about efficiency, precision, and scale. What AI brings into the equation is intelligence. Think of it like this. Earlier, machines were programmed to do repetitive tasks, but they couldn't adapt. With AI, machines can now learn from data, adjust to changes, and make smarter decisions. For example, robots are no longer just mechanical arms. They are now guided by AI vision systems that allow them to identify defects, sort products, or even assemble complex parts with high accuracy. AI also powers predictive maintenance systems, which monitor equipment health in real time and predict failures before they happen. And in quality control, AI vision can detect even microscopic defects faster than the human eye.
So it's almost like factories are becoming intelligent organisms, self-monitoring and self-correcting.
Exactly. Factories of the future aren't just automated. They're adaptive, data-driven, and intelligent. Great question. Traditionally, industrial robots were programmed to perform one repetitive action, for example, spot welding in car manufacturing. But the challenge was rigidity. If the part shifted slightly, the robot would fail. AI-powered robots, on the other hand, use computer vision and deep learning to see and adjust. Now, robots can collaborate with humans safely. These are called cobots, or collaborative robots. They're equipped with sensors and AI algorithms that let them work alongside humans without causing accidents. They can also be retrained quickly for new tasks, making them flexible for different production needs.
That sounds like a huge improvement in both safety and productivity.
It is. And it's not just automotive or electronics. Even in food manufacturing, AI-driven robots are sorting produce, packaging goods, and maintaining hygiene standards far better than traditional methods.
Let's move to quality control, something every manufacturer struggles with. How is AI changing this area?
Quality control used to rely heavily on human inspectors or mechanical sensors. But humans get tired, and mechanical sensors can miss subtle defects. AI vision systems, however, can process thousands of images per second, comparing products against ideal models. For example, in semiconductor manufacturing, even a microscopic defect can cause product failure. AI vision tools can detect these tiny irregularities instantly. In pharmaceuticals, AI ensures every pill or capsule meets exact specifications. The result is fewer recalls, higher customer trust, and significant cost savings. So, in a way, AI is ensuring zero defect manufacturing is closer to reality? That's right. Perfection may be impossible, but AI is pushing us closer to it.
Now, let's touch on predictive maintenance. This is a buzzword we often hear, but what does it really mean in manufacturing?
Predictive maintenance uses AI and IoT sensors to continuously monitor machinery. Instead of waiting for a machine to break down or performing routine scheduled maintenance, predictive systems analyze vibration, temperature, sound, and other signals to predict failures before they occur. Let's say a motor bearing is wearing out. Traditional systems might not catch it until it fails, causing hours of downtime. Predictive maintenance can alert technicians weeks earlier so they replace the part proactively. This reduces unplanned downtime, which costs manufacturers billions annually, and also extends equipment life.
That's massive. It's like giving machines the ability to say, I'm not feeling well, fix me before I break.
Exactly, Yash. That's a great way to put it.
Now, Raj, all of this sounds amazing, but I'm sure there are challenges. What are some hurdles manufacturers face in adopting AI?
There are a few big ones. First, data. AI systems need large amounts of clean data, and many factories still don't have proper digital infrastructure. Second, cost. Implementing AI solutions can be expensive initially, though the ROI is strong in the long run. Third, workforce adaptation. Employees often fear automation will take their jobs, but the reality is AI shifts their roles from repetitive tasks to higher-value work. And lastly, cybersecurity. As factories get connected, protecting systems from cyber attacks becomes critical.
That's a very important point. It's not just about technology, but also people and processes.
Absolutely. Successful AI adoption requires investment in training workers, upgrading legacy systems, and building trust.
Let's zoom out and look at the global picture. Which industries or regions are leading the adoption of AI in manufacturing?
The automotive sector is definitely at the forefront. Companies like Tesla, BMW, and Toyota are heavily using AI-driven robotics. Electronics manufacturing, especially in East Asia, is also highly advanced with AI vision and automation. Regionally, China, Germany, Japan, and the US are leading, with India also catching up quickly due to its growing tech ecosystem.
And for startups or tech innovators listening today, where do you see opportunities in this space?
There are plenty. Startups can focus on affordable AI vision systems for small and medium manufacturers, AI-driven supply chain optimization tools, or predictive maintenance platforms tailored to specific industries like textiles or food processing. Even integrating generative AI for factory simulations and digital twins is a growing area.
That's exciting. It means this isn't just a game for big corporations. Startups have a big role to play too.
Exactly. The democratization of AI tools is making advanced manufacturing accessible even to smaller players.
Before we wrap up, Raj, I'd like your take on the future. What will manufacturing look like 10 years from now with AI?
Sustainability will also be key. AI will help reduce waste, energy use, and carbon emissions. In short, manufacturing will be faster, smarter, safer, and greener.